Hey everyone, today I've got a quick DaVinci Resolve tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to get a free like and subscribe animation that you can use in your videos here in DaVinci Resolve. So we'll show you how to download it, then we'll jump back here to DaVinci Resolve and show you how to use it in your video. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now the first thing we need to do is jump over to our browser and we're going to head on over to pixabay.com and I'll have that link below in the description. And right here you can see it says videos. You can go ahead and left click on that. And under videos here, we're going to do a search for like and subscribe. So we'll do that. And you can see there's all sorts of video animations with green screen backgrounds. So the clips we're using today will have a green screen background. So we can scroll through here and find one we like. The one I want is down towards the bottom here. I'm going to be using this one right here. So we can left click on that. And I'll have this specific one linked below in the description as well. You can see it's a like and subscribe animation. And up here in the top right hand corner, you can see it says download. So we'll just go ahead and left click on that. You can select your resolution. I'm going to do 1920 by 1080 and we can just hit download here and that's going to start downloading for us. So it's in my downloads folder. You can move that wherever you need it to be on your computer. I'm going to just drag that over into my DaVinci Resolve here like that. And make sure you're on the editing tab here at the bottom. And now you can see that our animation is in here. So we'll drag that into our timeline and we can just hit play here. And you can see that it plays through that with audio. So let's go ahead and show you how to apply this and resize it here in our video. So go ahead and select your animation here and then our playhead here, we're going to put it roughly in the middle just like that. And we'll head down to the bottom here and we're going to select our Fusion tab. So that's right next to our editing tab. Right here it says Fusion. We'll left click on that. We need to apply an effect to our animation. So up here in the top left hand corner, you'll see it says effects. If you left click on that, you can scroll through here and look for the delta keyer effect. Or right here it says search. We can just start typing in delta and it should come up right there. We can just go ahead and left click on it and it'll apply that to our animation. Now from here, head on up to the very top right hand corner. We're going to go ahead and make sure our inspector is selected. So left click on that, make sure key is selected here. And right here it says background color and there's a gray box. If you left click on that gray box, you'll get a little pop-up that looks something like this. And right here it says pick screen color. So if you go ahead and left click on that, it will allow you to take your cursor onto the screen and make sure the green kind of stops blinking. Find a green spot, just kind of anywhere around the edge there, and we'll left click on that. And you can see that it selected the green background color right here. So we'll go ahead and hit OK. Again, back up in the top right hand corner, select matte. And I'm going to go ahead and select matte in this drop down here as well. So matte's right there. And then there's this threshold slider right here. So we can slide these in and out. And you can fine tune the edges here. So I'm going to go roughly about there. Somewhere in that range looks pretty good. So just watch the edges here on this and make sure you're not seeing any background colors around the perimeter. If I go too far, you'll start to see it'll disappear or you'll start to see shadows. So kind of fine tune that. Then I'll go back to the drop down here and we'll go ahead and select final result. So let's jump over to the editing tab here again. So right here at the bottom, you can see now that when I play through it, we've got our animation playing, but it's still really big. So we want to reduce that in size. So just right here, there's a little box. If you left click on that, just make sure transform is selected and you'll get your white box around the subscribe button. Again, make sure that the subscribe button animation was selected here. And then up here in the top right hand corner, again, make sure your inspector is selected and we can adjust the size here with the zoom. You can type that in manually or just scroll it back and forth. I'm going to make it nice and small and I can also move it off to the corner like that. And now we've got our animation. And really it's that simple to get a free subscribe animation and apply it here in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and until next time, take care.